Department of Education School Government of Manipur na thadorapa notice amagi matung inna Chief Minister's coaching scheme for entrance examination to professional courses ki makhada Department of Education School na class 12 tamliba natraga class 12 pass tauraba state asigi student singi oiba 2025 ta pangtokadoriba NEET examination amasung joint entrance examination kidamak online classes sing pangtok chakadauri class 10 board examination da yamdrabada 70% mark fanglaba class 12 tamliba natraga class 12 pass tauraba state asigi student singna hariba coaching class asi apply taurapa yagani online selection test sing pangthoktuna NEET coaching gi student kuntra amasung JEE coaching gi student kuntra selection tawjagani apun basit masingi 60% di government school dagi pass out tauraklaba natraga government school da tamliba student singi maraktagi oigani tawbatabu minimum cut off mark adu yauna fangba students masing suna fangdrabadi ahangba reserve seat sing adu atopa eligible candidates sing dagi mention jagani NEET gi online coaching class asina Akas Educational Services Limited na aduga joint entrance examination JEE gi coaching class na FIIT JEE school private limited na school gi class hour loraba matungda pangthok chagadabani eligible oiraba thawa yawba students sing na selection test asigidamakta 16th October 2024 gi 4 pm fawba gi manungda department asigi website www.manipureducation.gov.in da piriba link ta changduna natraga notification asida yarba QR code sizinaduna apply tawbirapa yagani NEET coaching gi selection test na 19th October 2024 da aduga JEE coaching gi selection test na 20 October 2024 da pangthoklagani adubu selection test sing asigi venue amasung timing department asigi website ta kona khanghanjarakani khanghanjariba L Nandakumar Singh, Director of Education School Manipur.